Okay, in this video, this will be a review of the Rain-X Latitude wiper blades. These things are awesome and they're very easy to install. Do note you get one per package, and it doesn't matter if it's the right or the left. You just get the correct inches. Just look up your vehicle. Very easy to install. We're going to install one right now. Okay, and on these I have the hook. So it's real simple. You just pop this up. Just lay it in there, push it till it pops. Do that click, and then you just snap this back in place. Very simple. And then you take this off. That's all there is to it if you have the hook. Now let's see what they look like from the inside. And from the inside of the vehicle, of course it's not raining right now, but we can fake the rain. And notice there's no streaking, there's no loud scraping noises. It's very smooth, very easy, very quiet. How a good wiper blade should be. Hit it again with some more of the cleaner. And you can see both sides are nice and clean. And like I said, it doesn't stutter, it doesn't make any noise. These are the best wiper blades. Hope this helps. Y'all have a wonderful day. See ya.